Hey guys, it's Rhea Brown, and in today's lesson, we are going to embed or install our very own custom form into our WordPress blog. Now, if you are familiar with plugins, you know that a popular free plugin is Contact Form 7. The problem with it is that it's so generic that you can't really ask anything specific. So I had someone ask me how to insert a custom Google form into my WordPress blog. This is an example of the form, and here is where you would log into your Google Documents and you would create that form. Now, I've already done that. I've created the form, which is exactly what they had to demonstrate that it does work and that you can embed the form into your WordPress blog. When you are finished with that form, instead of sending the form, what you're going to do is you are going to go to File and you're going to scroll all the way down to Embed. Now, when you click on Embed, here is the code. It is the HTML code to embed it into your WordPress blog or website. Now, you can either hit Control-C to copy this code, or you can right-click, scroll down to copy, and get the code that way. Before you do that, if you knew the dimensions of your WordPress blog, let's say you wanted to add this code into your sidebar, which is normally width would be 300. You would change it here, which would automatically, before you copied, change it up here in the code. And obviously the height could probably stay at 500 for the sidebar, or you know, 500 is pretty good if you know that 300 is the average width of your sidebar. But in this example, we're going to add it to the body of our WordPress blog or page. So this code can go either in a WordPress page or a WordPress post. It can even go in your sidebar because it is HTML code. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy. I'm going to, in this example, go and right click and scroll down to copy instead of hitting Control-C. And then when I'm done, okay, I am going to head over to, I have the code copied in my clipboard. I'm going to head over to WordPress and I'm going to go to Pages. I'm going to click on Pages and then I'm going to scroll down to Add New. Now I've already created this page. Okay, I gave it a title, and here is the code pasted right here. Here is where you must pay close attention, because instead of using your visual tab, which has all the wonderful pretty little buttons, you are going to click on the text tab. The text tab, okay? And you're going to keep it on the text tab, because here is where you're going to paste your code. After you've right clicked and then you've pasted your code in there, you're going to publish. Scroll down and you're going to publish that code for that page or that post. Okay, I've already done that, so any changes I make is going to say update. Now here is a tip. Okay, you're going to scroll down to where it says discussion and you're going to uncheck allow comments and allow trackbacks and pingbacks on this page. Because it's a form, you don't need people communicating with you by leaving comments on that part of the page. So I would uncheck the comments, and that is in your discussion area of your page when you go to create it. When it's done, you can select view page, and this is how the form looks after you have embedded it. Okay, so here it is sitting on my site, and here's the form. Okay, You're going to scroll down, and when the person is all done, they'll submit it, and you will get email confirmation and all of the information filled out, and then you will go about, communicating with your prospect online. Okay, so let's review. First, we're going to create the form, right? We're going to go into our Google Docs, which is right here. We're going to create the form. Okay. Here's the form. And then when we're finished with the form and we've named our form, we're going to go to File, Embed. Okay. We're going to take the code. We're going to right click, make sure everything is highlighted. We're going to right click on that code. We're going to scroll down to copy. Okay. And we're going to head over into our WordPress admin area. We're going to scroll and go to Pages, Add New. And when we add new, we're going to add our, the title of the page as always. And instead of the visual tab, we're going to go to the text area, and this is where we paste all HTML code, all embed codes into the text tab area. When that's done, be sure to uncheck, obviously, in your discussions area, the allow comments and allow trackbacks, and then you're going to publish it. And then you will view it, and then it will look something like this, and you're all set. This is Rhea Brown. You can find me on rheabrown.com if you want to connect with me. I'm on Twitter at twitter.com/Rhea Brown. And if you have any questions or problems with your WordPress blog or site, you can reach me at ask@rheabrown.com. See you in the next training video.